In this video, we're going to review scientific notation and sets of numbers. Assume the Earth is a perfect sphere with radius 6,371 kilometers. Calculate the volume of the Earth in cubic kilometers. Give your answer in the form a times 10 to the k, where 1 is less than or equal to a less than 10, and k is an element of the integers. A few important things. Number 1, this question is about a sphere. They give us the radius of the sphere. We are supposed to calculate volume, and they want us to write our answer in scientific notation. It is very important for you to understand that on the IB exam, if they want you to write your answer in scientific notation, they're not going to explicitly tell you to write it in scientific notation. They're going to tell you to give your answer in the form a times 10 to the k, and they're going to follow this type of notation. That means scientific notation, and that is very, very important for you to understand so you don't make a mistake. The formula for the volume of the sphere is located in the formula packet. It is in topic 3. Topic 3 is geometry and trigonometry, and it actually has 2 pages in the formula booklet. The volume of a sphere is not on the front. It's going to be all the way in the back. You should be familiar with all the formulas that are in the formula booklet and where they are located, so the day of the exam, you're not scrambling to figure out where it's located. So the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. In this particular case, I'm going to go ahead and show the substitution. 4/3 pi times 6,371 to the third power. I'm going to go to alpha y equals. I'm going to turn this into a fraction and put 4/3 times pi. Remember, there is a symbol for pi, times the radius 6,371 to the third power. Notice the E12. That means that it's giving you the answer in scientific notation. The e to the 12 means 10 to the 12th power. So when you write this down, never write e. You're going to have to write down 1.08 times 10 to the 12th power. Remember also to write down your units. In this case, it's volume, so it's cubic meters. The volume of the moon is 2.1958 times 10 to the 10th power cubic kilometers. Calculate how many times greater in volume the Earth is compared to the moon. Give your answer correct to the nearest integer. If you don't remember, an integer is a whole number, positive or negative or 0. For part B, in order for me to figure out how many times greater in volume the Earth is compared to the moon, I am going to divide. I'm going to show 1.08 times 10 to the 12th power, and I'm going to divide it by 2.1958 times 10 to the 10th power. This is all going to go straight into your calculator exactly the way you see it. Because we already have that answer in the calculator, all I'm going to do is put divided by parentheses 2.1958 times 10 to the 10th power, and then I'm going to close parentheses. I put the parentheses just to make sure I don't make a mistake. When I press enter, I get 49.330855. I'm going to write my answer with a few decimal places, and then because it says to round to the nearest integer, the correct answer is 49 times greater. And that's it. Those are your 6 points. Remember, I'm working on something amazing for you. Grab your free one-page plan so that you can pass your IB Math AISL exam. And as always, I hope you found this video helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more help with math so that you can say, yes, I can do math with confidence. Until next time, thanks for watching.